David Kolb's Learning Styles. Development of four distinct learning styles. In 1984, Kolb put forward four distinct learning styles or preferences. It is based on the four-phase learning cycle or training cycle. The four phases are concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. Kolb's development stages. Kolb defined three stages of a person's development. The first stage is the acquisition stage. It is from birth to adolescence. Development of basic abilities and cognitive structures occur at this stage. The second stage is specialization. Schooling, early work, and personal experiences of adulthood. The development of a particular specialized learning style shaped by social, educational, and organizational socialization occur at this stage. The third stage is integration, that is mid-career through later life. Expression of non-dominant learning style in work and personal life occur at this stage. But a person's preferred style depends on various factors. Our tendency to integrate the four different learning styles improves as we mature through our development stages. The learning style preference is the product of two pairs of variables or two separate choices that we make, and Kolb presented it as lines of an axis, each with conflicting modes at either end. Kolb's two continuums. The east-west axis is called the processing continuum, that is how we approach a task, and the north-south axis is called the perception continuum, that is our emotional response or how we think or feel about it. In the figure, I have marked only the processing continuum. Kolb called these axes or continuums as dialectically related modes. The learning styles are the combinations of two lines of axes or continuums. Grasping experience, that is doing or watching, and transforming experience, that is feeling or thinking. Kolb believed that we cannot perform both variables on a single axis at the same time. For example, think and feel. Here you can see the two continuums. Our learning style is a product of two choice decisions. First one is how to approach a task, and second one, our emotional response to the experience. Our learning style, as I have told you earlier, is a product of two choice decisions. How to approach a task, that is also called grasping experience, that is preferring to watch or do. And second one is our emotional response to the experience, that is transforming experience. This corresponds to preferring to think or feel. We shall see in detail the two choices. First one, how to approach a task, that is grasping experience, that is preferring to watch or do. That is, we choose our approach to the task or experience, that is grasping experience, by opting any one of the following. First one is through watching others involved in the experience and reflecting on what happens, that is reflective observation, watching. Or second one, through jump straight in and just doing it, active experimentation, doing. Second one is our emotional response to the experience, that is transforming experience, preferring to think or feel. That is, we choose how to emotionally transform the experience into something meaningful and useful by opting, first one, through gaining new information by thinking, analyzing or planning, that is abstract conceptualization, thinking. Or the second one is through experiencing the concrete, tangible, felt qualities of the world. That is concrete experience feeling. The combination of these two choices produces a preferred learning style. KOLB'S learning style is represented diagrammatically. You can see here. Now we can see the learning styles. There are 4 learning styles. First one, diverging, that is feeling and watching. CE refers to concrete experience, RO refers to reflective observation. Second one, assimilating, watching and thinking. AC, it refers to abstract conceptualization, and RO, reflective observation. Next, converging, that is doing and thinking. AC, abstract conceptualization. AE, active experimentation. Next, accommodating, doing and feeling. CE refers to concrete experience and AE refers to active experimentation. Now we shall discuss each of the learning style in detail. Diverging, characteristics. Able to look at things from different perspectives. Prefer to watch rather than do, tending to gather information and use imagination to solve problems. Sensitive, emotional and have broad cultural interest. Interested in people, prefer to work in groups, to listen with an open mind and to receive personal feedback. KOLB called this style diverging because these people perform better in situations that require ideas generation. For example, brainstorming. The next learning style is assimilating. The characteristics are: involves a concise logical approach. Ideas and concepts are more important than people. These people require good clear explanation rather than a practical opportunity. They excel at understanding wide-ranging information and organizing it in a clear logical format. People with an assimilating learning style are less focused on people and more interested in ideas and abstract concepts. People with this style are more attracted to logically sound theories than approaches based on practical value. This learning style is important for effectiveness in information and science careers. In formal learning situations, people with this style prefer readings, lectures, exploring analytical models and having time to think things through. Next is the converging style. The characteristics are: finds practical uses for ideas and theories, prefer technical tasks, less concerned with people and interpersonal aspects, can solve problems and make decisions by finding solutions to questions and problems, like to experiment with new ideas, to stimulate and to work with practical applications. The last style is accommodating. The accommodating learning style is hands-on and relies on intuition rather than logic. Use other people's analysis and prefer to take a practical experiential approach. Attracted to new challenges and experiences and to carrying out plans. Commonly act on gut instinct rather than logical analysis. This learning style is prevalent within the general population. This is the representation of learning style along with the learning cycle. You can see the 2 continuums, the 4 stages of learning cycle, that is concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization and active experimentation and the 4 learning styles: diverging, which lies in between concrete experience and reflective observation; assimilating, which lies between reflective observation and abstract conceptualization; converging, in between abstract conceptualization and active experimentation; then accommodating, in between concrete experience and active experimentation. KOLB'S learning styles can be expressed in the metric form like this. Educational implications. Kolb's learning styles could be used to critically evaluate the learning provision available to students, to develop appropriate learning opportunities, to design and offer activities that suit best to the learner, to identify and strengthen the less preferred learning style of the learner to learn better. Conclusion. We have seen 4 learning styles. Diverging refers to emphasis the innovative and imaginative approach by doing things, views concrete situations from many perspectives and adapts by observation rather than by action, interested in people and tends to be feeling oriented, likes cooperative groups and brainstorming activities. Second one is assimilating, pulls a number of different observations and thoughts into an integrated whole, likes to reason inductively and create models and theories, likes to design projects and experiments. Third one, converging, emphasizes the practical application of ideas and solving problems, likes decision making, problem solving and the practical application of ideas, prefers technical problems over interpersonal issues. Accommodating, uses trial and error rather than thought and reflection, good at adapting to changing circumstances, solves problems in an intuitive trial and error manner such as discovery learning, also tends to be at ease with people. The flip book is given in the description. Thank you.